Today's video is about the best cases for the brand new Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. At the end of every review, I will have a sum up of the main advantages and disadvantages of every product, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. And let's kick it off with the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, the best clear case. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid is one of the best clear cases you can get for the Google Pixel 6. The combination of a polycarbonate back and the TPU frame provide excellent drop protection and keep the device scratch-free. Case is thin and light, but adds enough of a lip to protect the display and the camera. The crystal clear version is a great option. You can also get one with a matte black finish. However, while the matte black is usually reserved for the bumper when it comes to other phones, it also covers the camera bump and top with the Pixel 6. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid lets you show off the Pixel 6 design and unique colorways while keeping it safe from bumps and drops. So the main advantages of the Ultra Hybrid is that it is thin and light, it has precise cutouts and is crystal clear. The main cons is that as all clear cases, it is difficult to keep clean and easily shows scuffs and scratches, and clear cases tend to yellow over time. It's not a particular problem with this specific case, but with clear cases in general. But if you want a clear case to be as unobtrusive as possible and be almost unnoticeable, check this Aeska Slim Thin case. This clear case isn't as reinforced as the Spigen, but it is slimmer and more foldable. This means you get that added grip and scratch protection while showing off that cool colorway. Next up we have a unique and classy case, the Kwmobile fabric case. This is a great case that looks much more stylish and sophisticated than its price would suggest. Made of a durable synthetic fabric, it stands out from a scene filled almost entirely by plastic-only cases, with its textured canvas-based surface also providing a good level of grip. There is indeed an inner lining that provides extra reinforcement, so even though this cover is designed to be lightweight and slim, it's hardy enough to defend your phone against most accidents. It also comes in a wide range of colors, from coral to yellow, green, and many more. So the main pros is that this case looks fantastic, is lightweight and has 4 color options. The only con is that it can easily get dirty because it's made out of fabric. But if you like the classy look and feel of fabric cases but want a more protective folio type cover, check this Foluu canvas flip wallet. Foluu's folio is affordable, look great, and also double as a wallet and kickstand. Magnetic clasps keep everything in place, and there are 3 card slots in addition to the cash flap, ensuring you keep everything together neatly. And next we have the best kickstand case, the Poetic Revolution. If you watch a lot of content on your phone, your hands may start to feel tired after a while. That's when the Poetic Revolution come in handy thanks to the built-in kickstand. And not only that, but it is also one of the best Pixel 6 cases to get for complete protection. A thick bumper with reinforced corners, covered buttons, and noticeable lips keeps the phone completely safe. It even comes with a front cover that has a built-in screen protector. This case not only gives you a kickstand, but also adds a bucket load of protection. If you drop your phone with this case on, your phone is almost certainly protected thanks to the rugged edges of the case. So the main pros of this case is that it is rugged, has a sturdy kickstand, and a built-in screen protector. The main cons is that it is bulky, as expected from a rugged case. But if you still want rugged level of protection and the kickstand without the bulkiness and the flashy looks, check the Spigen Tough Armor. It still provides overall protection against drops, bumps and scratches and whatever you throw at it, without adding too much thickness. It has air cushions on the inside that provide a good amount of protection during falls, and even has a kickstand. And the best thin case is the Spigen Liquid Air Armor. The Liquid Air Armor may not be the thinnest case in Spigen's arsenal, but it offers the best compromise between a slim profile and good protection. It's a TPU case and is easy to install and remove. A ridge pattern on the back and along the sides adds to the grip, and it comes with a matching camera bar to protect the massive camera bump. A raised lip also keeps the display safe, so if you want safety without the bulk, the Spigen Liquid Air Armor is the way to go. And the main advantages of the Liquid Air Armor is that it is thin and light, has tactile button covers, and an anti-slip matte surface. The main disadvantages is that it is only available in black and it doesn't offer the best protection which is to be expected from a thin case. But if you want the thinnest case period that still offers some level of protection, make sure to check out the Spigen Thin Fit. The Thin Fit is thinner and lighter compared to the Air Armor, but isn't as protective and isn't as grippy as the Air Armor. You do get a matching camera bar, and a raised lip keeps the rear camera and display protected. And finally, the best overall Pixel 6 case is the Caseology Parallax. The Caseology Parallax has a simple, flexible design that provides stuff protection yet gives the phone case a minimalistic vibe. It's protective but doesn't add a lot of bulk to your phone. It sports a 3D hexacube design intended to increase traction, with ridges on the sides also enhancing grip. Aside from this, it has been certified as offering military-grade protection, so it will take a fair amount of punishment before you even begin to suspect it might be suffering. It also adds raised bezels around the display and cameras, reducing the probability that either of these areas suffers targeted damage. The Parallax offers dual layer protection with its TPU case and a polycarbonate frame. There are also a few color options to choose from, including a new black and red combo that looks just great. Looking beyond its ruggedness, the case is also laudably well designed, featuring a two-toned coloring that's available in ash gray, sage green and gold. It's also pretty cheap. So the main pros of this case is that it has superior protection, great color option and reinforced corner and camera lip. The only con to this case, and it is being a bit nitpicky, is that it is a bit hard to remove.